cash equivalents and cash flows. Cash equivalents. As we know, cash flow statement shows inflow and outflow of cash or cash equivalents from different activities of the organizations. The cash means cash in hand and demand deposits with the banks, and cash equivalent means short-term, highly liquid investments that can be easily converted into cash and which have the risk of changes in the value. An investment is called as cash equivalents only when it has a short maturity, like 3 months or less from the date of acquisition. Cash flows. Cash flow means circulation of cash in and out because of some non-cash items. When we receive cash from a non-cash item, that is known as cash inflow. When we make payment in cash for such items, that is known as cash outflow. For example, purchase of goods by paying cash is cash outflow, while amount received from sale of machinery is cash inflow.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.